palm trees, swimming pools, and the San Jacinto Mountains, it honestly doesn't get better than a trip to Palm Springs. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to pack for Palm Springs and give you 4 outfit ideas based on each season of the year. All of this is based on my personal experience visiting Palm Springs multiple times a year for the past 15 years. I live in Los Angeles, but Palm Springs is basically a second home to me. So I've totally got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, let's go over Palm Springs' unique aesthetic. I would say the style in Palm Springs is casually glamorous. The fashion here is inspired by mid-century modern design and architecture, so you can absolutely have some fun with your outfit in this desert town. That means you can bring out fun pops of color, polka dots, a gorgeous wide-brimmed hat, and some styles from the 1940s, 50s, 60s, anything that you want, have some fun with it. Personally, when I visit Palm Springs, I lean towards more of a desert chic kind of look. I bring out my cowgirl boots, or I wear all white or light colors. And I also like throwing in a bit of turquoise jewelry here and there. And now let's talk about clothing. Palm Springs boasts 350 days of sun out of the entire year. Yes, that's 350 days out of 365 days of the year. That's a lot of sun. So you want to go with a lightweight fabric, something like linen or cotton that's going to be breathable, something that's good for hot weather. Now, how many outfits you're going to pack is going to depend on, of course, how many days you're there. Let's say you're visiting for a long weekend, maybe 3 or 4 days. For this kind of trip, I would pack at least 2 pairs of pants, 2 or 3 tops, maybe 2 dresses, 2 swimsuits, and 1 cover-up, of course. For shoes, you're definitely gonna want flip-flops for the pool, 1 good pair of walking shoes, maybe a pair of hiking shoes, and a chic sandal as well. I'll include links to my favorites in the description below, and also be sure to check out my Palm Springs travel guide, which includes a handy checklist of everything you need to pack. Next, accessories. You definitely want to bring a great pair of sunglasses on this trip and a wide brim hat to protect yourself from the sun. This also might even be a great opportunity to add a little bit of glamour to your look. I'd also suggest bringing a packable tote bag that you can bring with you while you're shopping down Palm Canyon Drive or just down to the pool. Okay, now swimsuits. Everywhere you look in Palm Springs, you're going to find a swimming pool. It's great. I definitely say pack at least 2 swimsuits because you're gonna wanna mix up your look while you're there. One day wear one day wear the other. Also, if you really want to go retro with your style, you could find a really cute polka dot swimsuit. That's fun. Or polka dots on anything for that matter. A polka dot dress, for example, would be really great for Palm Springs. And of course, don't forget a cover up to complete your entire look. Moving on to toiletries, I always bring sunscreen for obvious reasons to my trip for Palm Springs. For my face, I've really been liking this one by Elta MD. It's an SPF 46 and it has zinc oxide and niacinamide in it, which is great for sun protection and great for calming down redness. I have really sensitive skin on my face, and actually I've always been prone to acne, and my dermatologist just diagnosed me with rosacea. So that's been fun, and I've been trying out this sunscreen and I've noticed that it's been really helping, and I really like how it goes on. I'm really careful about the products that I use on my face, so this has been a really good fit. I also really like the Drunk Elephant sunscreen. It's called the Umbra Sheer, which is an SPF 30. And that one's been pretty great. Okay, let's talk about gear. It's really important to stay hydrated in the hot desert temperatures. It can get up to 110 degrees. So if you're lounging by the pool in the summer in Palm Springs, definitely stay hydrated. As far as suitcases go, I just got this one by Level 8. If you're flying into Palm Springs for a few days, a carry-on like this one should fit everything that you need. This one is the Voyager 20-inch in navy, And what I really like about this bag is the dry wet pouch, which is great for storing toiletries that might be prone to like exploding when you're flying and the air pressure changes. And also it'd be really great to put like a bathing suit in there if your suit's wet and you don't have time to dry before you have to hit the road again. Another great feature of this suitcase is the handle. It's a little bit wider than most. Most suitcases have a narrow handle, and that makes it a bit easier to pull when you're walking through the airport, and it doesn't toss over everywhere when you're walking with it behind you. The Voyager has a capacity for 43 liters, which is pretty good for a carry-on. Although I have to say I've been using the Away bigger carry-on for many years now, and that one has a little bit more capacity at 47 liters. This particular suitcase doesn't have a front pocket to store your laptop in it, but actually that doesn't bother me at all. And Level 8 does have a suitcase, I think it's called the Roadrunner, that does offer that front pocket for your laptop, but personally, I carry my laptop in my backpack, and I don't want to put it in my carry-on in case I have to check it at the gate and then forget that my computer's in there, and then there goes my computer down below the underbelly of the airplane. So yeah, I personally like a carry-on without that laptop sleeve. So, you know, if you're looking for that, maybe get the other option, the Roadrunner. The design of this suitcase is pretty stylish, if I do say so, which is a big draw if you're going to Palm Springs, because Palm Springs is a place where style and design are such a big draw. So you can roll up into the city looking as glamorous as possible with your suitcase. If you're interested in the Level 8 suitcase, check out the link in the description below and use my promo code for 10% off. Next, I always recommend bringing a portable phone charger on every trip, and especially a trip like Palm Springs, where you're probably going to be taking a ton of photos and your phone's going to be running on low by the end of the day, and you're going to have to call an Uber. So I think it's always great to have that portable phone charger. Just plug in your phone and there you go. New battery. You can check out my review of my favorite charger in this video. Also, I've been seeing a lot of people taking vacation photos with a disposable camera, which I think is super fun. You can probably pick that up when you're there, honestly, at any, pharmacy. It's kind of fun to take photos the old-fashioned way every once in a while, especially when you're on vacation. Okay, the first outfit idea for Palm Springs is for the summer. As you might imagine, the summer gets really hot. It's a really dry heat, so it kind of feels like you're walking into an oven. For the summer, I recommend a white t-shirt and a linen pant. It's a really breathable fabric. I have a pair that I love from Quince. They're really affordable and they look really great too. They're super comfy with like a very nice aesthetic with a elastic waistband, which is clutch. You can wear this with any kind of sandal. The one I paired it with are Birkenstocks. For fall in Palm Springs, any kind of blue jean is a must. I love blue jeans by Madewell. They're made ethically and they're also super versatile and cute. For winter in Palm Springs, I always think a sweater dress and tights paired with a cute booty is the perfect look. I know it's kind of surprising, but winter in Palm Springs actually gets very cold, especially at night. It's the desert, so the temps go up in the day and then they drop drastically at night. That's just what happens there. Lastly, for spring in Palm Springs, definitely go all out. This is your opportunity to be as fun and flirty as you want. Wear a floral print, wear a big, bold red lipstick, and just totally be your most blooming, blossoming self. Spring in Palm Springs is when everything comes alive. And there you have it, my friends, your complete packing guide to your fabulous trip to Palm Springs. Definitely remember your sunscreen and just have a lot of fun with it. Go ahead, be fabulous, and enjoy this beautiful city. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos coming soon. I will be sharing more travel tips and what to wear guides. Thank you again for watching and see you next time.